Hi everyone. I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video. The reason for that is I've been really busy with fixing a bunch of watches and clocks, but now that that has died down, I can post more videos on my channel. So if you're interested in seeing more repair videos, please subscribe and like this video or any other videos I have posted. But I wanted to hop on here really quick because I noticed a lot of people that repair watches. They use a screwdriver to let down the power of the mainspring by pushing the click back. And nothing wrong with that, but I figured I would show you a tool that I use that's a little more safe because, with screwdrivers, you can easily slip and damage parts of the watch. So I wanted to show you a tool that I make and I use every single day to let down the power of the mainspring. It's this little handy device right here, made out of stainless steel. Not only do I rivet the pin to the base of the tool, but I also weld it. So it is very durable and very strong. And I'm going to show you how you can let down the power of the mainspring by pushing back the click. And by the way, this is a parts watch, so that's the reason why I am not wearing gloves for this. It's out of my parts stash. And it's as simple as that. If you're interested in purchasing this tool, like I said, I hand make each one. I have a link in the description below, and like I said, I will be posting more videos on the different repairs that I get through the door. So like I said, if you like this video or any other videos I have posted or want to see more videos in the upcoming future, please like and subscribe.